How to use Monday.com for small businesses. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Monday.com for your small business. Maybe you have new business and want to try Monday.com. So yeah, if you don't know yet, Monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your data, all your tasks, all your details, and also you can monitor your employees and others. So let's get started. First, you can go to your monday.com, and as you can see in the left side here, there are the workspace. You can choose the workspace you want to work with. Let's say I want to use maybe this one, real estate. So yeah, and so we're gonna use a board. So we're gonna add new board by click plus icon here to add item. Then you can choose board here, and there are two options: new board or start with templates. So if you choose new board like this, let's say like this, I'm gonna name it start up. Oops, and then just click create board. So it's gonna be like this. It's very basic. Maybe you need it because maybe your business it's not really complicated, so you can just edit it. You can you know uh maybe name it like um financial report or something like that. It's up to you. So maybe you can just use this one, but let's say you need more complicated templates. You can use free templates from monday.com. So you can just click add item here again, and then you can choose start with template here. And there are a lot of industry here on the left side. It's depends on your business industry. So maybe you are maybe you are a real estate or startup. You can just click startup here. You can choose whatever templates you want. Maybe you need campaign planning, or maybe you need event management, and a lot of them you can choose. So let's say I need campaign planning. I will just click this one, and then I can see the review here. You can read it. If you think this is good, you can just click this one and choose your workspace. So I'm gonna choose this one, real estate, and it's creating, and it's done. This is my campaign planning board. As you can see, there are the defaults items. You can edit it. You can edit the names, the item. It's up to you. And also, if you scroll here, if you swipe, you can see the other items. So yeah, you can edit it, you can modify it. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.